welcome back to How To. Today I'm going to be showing you how to have a highlight over your mouse cursor. First, what you have to do is go to this website called RealWorld Graphics. The link will be in the description down below. Now you can make your own cursor, but in this video I'll be showing you how to download one previously made. First, go to Gallery at the top. Now search cursor highlight. Now you can pick any one that you like, but I pick this one. And now you can select any of these, or you can pick a pack of them. I'm going to pick this one. And now all you have to do is click download. Now click on here and open show in folder. And as you can see, it's right here. So all you have to do now is click cut. That's all you have to do. And now search here mouse, and then you should click on mouse settings. Now at the right there is additional mouse options. If you click on that, this should show up. Click on pointers, and this is what you'll be using in one moment. If you go back to your file, go to this PC, local disk, and Windows. Now there is a folder inside of here called cursors. All you have to do is click on there. Now right click and paste. Now you need to click continue because this is accessing the Windows file. This is all fine to use, so just click continue. Now we go back to the mouse settings and click browse. And if you browse for the setting that you just put in, this one. Now all you have to do is click open and apply. And as you can see, it's now on. Now all you have to do is close the window, and now you've just added your own mouse pointer / cursor. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment down below if this helped you, and also if you have any other how-to questions. I'll catch you in the next one.